Hey everybody, this is Stu from Main Street Mower, and behind me is one of my favorite products that we represent. It's called Hasegawa Ladders. We'll put it on the screen. Hasegawa, it's a Japanese orchard ladder, and it sits on 3 legs, and that is its secret. That's what makes it so stable. It's made out of aluminum, it's all hand welded. They're super lightweight, and they're all one piece. Basically, I want to tour you around this ladder and show you why you need one. First off, it comes in multiple sizes. It comes in a 6-footer, which I don't have one here today, an 8-footer, a 10-footer, a 12-footer, and a 16-footer. There's no 14-footer. The ladders come either with steps all the way to the top, or they come with a platform basket. So on this ladder, and this 10-footer, and this 12-footer, that's the highest step that I'm gonna climb to. The rest of the ladder is just a cradle for me to lean into so that I can work with both hands. Some functions. One, it comes with a safety chain. That's so that if you were on a slippery surface and the legs were to go like this, it would catch you. 2, these are in the package here, but these are rubber feet. These rubber feet go on the end of this. If I were to take this indoors or onto like polished concrete where it's slippery and I need traction in that situation, I have rubber feet to go on here. And then this leg is also adjustable, and that can help you play a hill and get your angle set right. Right now I'm on a swale in my yard, and if I were to put it like this, now this angle is a lot safer for me to climb. And not all of them do you climb all the way to the top. This one is called a platform ladder, and this here is the highest step. The rest of the ladder is just to lean into, and this allows you to work with 2 hands if you're working a pole saw, or you have a pressure washer, or like I said, you're cleaning your gutters out. You feel comfortable. You don't feel like you're gonna fall. As I climb up on this ladder, you can feel these feet bite into the ground. Most people look at a 3-legged ladder and think it's less stable, but 3 points always touch the ground versus a 4-legged ladder that's sitting on 4 points. Not all 4 of them are gonna be on the ground, and it's gonna have a wobble. This one I can reach out and it doesn't move. As far as weight goes, this is really light. You can carry it like a surfboard. The only negative thing is that it doesn't get any smaller. This is the full length, so on a 10-footer you need a 10-foot trailer in order to move this, or you got to put it in your truck bed and it's going to be hanging out. In the case of this 16-foot ladder, you can get really, really high. I have one of these ladders. I clean my gutters, I hang my Christmas lights, swings for the kids in the backyard, and I use my pole saw. I use it all the time. I love the ladder. That's it, guys. Hasegawa ladders are really cool. Everybody needs one. We have them at all 3 stores, Winter Garden, Claremont, and Ocala. Stop by and check them out. Don't forget to like and subscribe our page. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time on Main Street Mower.